Hey everyone, I hope you're good, and once again welcome back to my new video one. So in today's video I will be going to talk about this sentence is correct. I thought this is not correct, but yeah, this is correct. So I'm gonna talk about, this is also correct. I'm gonna talk about on one particular kind of a mindset or myth which people have in their certain in the certain ages of life, but nowadays it is coming in Gen Z's life also, in early ages also. So I thought that why should not talk about in this specific kind of a topic or myth, I would say. Okay, so what is happening, let me tell you in a very brief way so that you can understand what is the topic, what is the main thing about the video. Okay, so the main thing is, we all dream big, we all visualize so many things in our fucking mind. We are dreaming, we are visualizing, we are manifesting so many things, but do you really think that those will happen in the real life, in also in reality? I don't think so. I don't know about you, but I don't think so those will happen in the real life until you do not understand about the system, about the habit, about the consistency, about the regularity. Okay, because once you have already thought about those things, those lives, those luxury kind of a thing, but don't know how to build, don't know how to achieve those kind of things in reality, so I don't think so. You're just dreaming, and you're just dreaming, and without having system you will not achieve those things in reality. To be honest, you will never achieve that thing. This is my harsh talk, I know, but this is the reality, bro. So many people thinking about the and manifesting their dream life, their luxury life, and what, and I don't know what they're thinking about in different kind of areas, manifesting different kind of things in their dream, and thinking that one day those all things will happen in the real life. And I don't know when that one day will come in our life. Of course, those lives or those kind of a lifestyle exist beyond the system, beyond the power of consistency. Okay, if you know what I'm talking about, so you know that, and if you don't know, so you don't know that. Okay, because I have been through in that phases of life where I was just thinking about to speaking English language in front of the camera, in front of the people, just thinking about that thing. I was not taking any kind of action, and now, and when I started, creating system, I started implementing schedule in the reality. Okay, this in this between this time I have to do this thing, in after that I have to do that thing. Okay, so this was my daily routine or schedule, whatever you call it. Okay, and it is not just a schedule, making schedule and following that thing. You have to follow for the certain amount of the time, certain amount of the month. Okay, let's say 6 months. So without skipping any single day, you have to follow that schedule for at least 6 months in order to get any kind of a result in terms of speaking English. Okay, so same strategy, same kind of a things applies in the different areas of life. Suppose that if you want to build the habit of reading a book, or researching on a different kind of a topic, so you have to understand the the prioritize system. You have to prioritize those things which has significant value in your life. And once you prioritize those things, so another thing becomes very important, which is doing that thing on a regular basis. Okay, if you can't do that thing on a regular basis, so there is no value of prioritizing that thing in your means in what do we call that thing in your life. Okay, so I was not getting that word, so I just said it, that thing. Okay, so yeah, if you do not do it that thing on a regular basis, so I don't think so you can do it, you can achieve it that thing in the real life. Because I know I am very consistent person on in terms of speaking English and uploading videos and practicing my English talk with you guys in front of the camera of 10 minutes with 10 minutes video. Okay, if you watch my video, so my video is more than 10 minutes or equal to 10 minutes. You will not find any video less than 10 minutes. Okay, because I set a very clear rule that you have to make a video which length is with which, this word is very not good for me. I know sometimes I pronounce, so this the word doesn't come very clearly. So the video length should be or must be equal to 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes. Okay, so this was the first I would say rule in my criteria. And second rule was that you have to record every day, no matter what you will talk about in front of the camera, what you will speak, however you will speak, whether you are feeling good, not good, you are late, you are tired, you are that, this and that. I don't care. I will not give you any fucking reason or shitty reason or silly reason for not making content. And those things actually helped me, and now I'm very consistent person towards that. Okay, I sometime I record video in between midnight also, at 2 p.m, 1 p.m, 3 p.m. Okay, so am, sorry, 3 a.m, 2 a.m, and 12 a.m also in the night. Okay, this much consistent I am right now towards building or towards speaking English language. I know I'm just speaking very basic English, but this is not all about English language. This is all about the consistency. Okay, bro, this is all about the consistency. And if you know how to build consistency in your life, so bro, everything becomes very easy. It is all about the consistency. It is all about the consistency. Okay, consistency, yeah, this is the right word. So if you know about the fundamental rights or the methods behind building the consistency in any situation, in any areas of life, so bro, you can do anything. Yeah. And before taking me wrong, let me clarify you, let me give you very clear, or very clear decision, very clear talk to you, very clear advice, whatever you call it. Okay, if I am very consistent in one scenario, so it doesn't mean that I am consistent in everything. In practicing some editing, I am also learning editing. So in editing, I'm not very consistent. Sometime I learn editing, sometime I forget to learn. So, and sometime I do something else. Okay, so this is not happening. This is not like, if once I have built the consistency in something, so then that method can apply also in different kind of things. This will not happen. So although I'm just building, I'm also understanding why it's not happening in editing also, why it's not working on editing skill. So this is what I'm figuring out, this is what I'm actually working on right now. So yeah, but in initial days you will not feel very okay, you will feel very uncomfortable, you will feel very tired than anything else. You will not have any idea, you will not know how to do, what to do, why I'm doing that thing. So these all the thoughts will come in initial days of practicing that thing. Okay, so these are very normal, these are very natural to have or to face in initial days. So please do not give up on those things, because once you will face those things, and once you will cover up those things, so after that, and after whatever kind of steps you will take, that becomes very easy than taking the first steps. Okay, have you heard about that thing? Earning 1 crore rupees is very hard in our life. Once you earn 1 crore rupees, so the after 10 crore rupees becomes very easy, or much easier than the earning 1 crore rupees. I hope you got the point. Okay, because I know you have already watched so many reels around this kind of a method. Okay, so this is reality, actually. This is happening to me. Once I have passed 3 months of practicing English language, now it becomes very easy for me opening camera and speaking in front of the camera without having any kind of script, without having any kind of knowledge about any topics. I can speak anything randomly, whether I'm talking right, whether I'm talking wrong, whether I'm not talking, whether I'm fumbling, whether I'm making grammar error in sentence structure. I don't care. I know I'm making so much error in grammar also right now while speaking at this moment also, but I don't care about that thing. I just care about the consistency, I just care about the how I'm speaking. That's it. This is the ultimate goal behind making the content. There is no goal, or I would say the end goal of getting the views, getting the subscribers or followers on my different kind of a social media platform. It is not end goal. The end goal is very clear. I have to complete my challenge, I have to build this habit of speaking in front of the camera. Okay, so in this skill will literally help me in my future when I will start creating content very seriously. When then my goal will be having follower, or getting views, getting clients, getting good kind of a follower or interaction in my videos. Then my goal would be very different at that point of time. But at this moment, my goal is very different, my end goal is very different. Okay, just following, just practicing and completing my challenge. Okay, so this is the end goal of making content at this moment, at right now. I hope you got the point. I hope you understood today's topic. I know this sometime I speak on the track and sometime I go off the track also. So yeah, this happens to me every time. So without wasting any further second, now I'm signing off. This is Sonu. I'll see you in the next video.